students, who is absent today?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, and now I will ask you something. Do you still remember what have you learned in the last meeting?
Yes, ma'am. The definition of biodiversity and the levels of biodiversity.
That's good. Okay, and now I will show you something. Okay, what is it?
Lion, ma'am.
Okay, this is lion. So which level is this classified in? Yes?
Biodiversity.
Yes, that's good, Nanda. Okay, so, okay, students, from this, can you guess what will we learn today?
Example of biodiversity levels.
Okay, the example of biodiversity levels. Okay, students, and now please pay attention and listen carefully to my explanation. Okay, this is biology, biodiversity. About this slide, first there is basic content, knowledge and skills, analyzing various levels of biodiversity in Indonesia, and also explaining and mentioning about the example related to various levels of biodiversity levels in Indonesia. And then the second is learning objective. There are content objective and also language objective. By the end of this lesson, so you will be able to mention the biodiversity levels, identify the example of biodiversity levels, and also you can use the correct vocabulary to collect the example of biodiversity levels. And the last is you produce a report text on each levels of biodiversity levels. Okay, and next we go to the learning material, content material. We have three levels of biodiversity, gene diversity, species diversity, and also ecosystem biodiversity. Okay? Okay, and in this slide I have a video, and I hope after you watch this video, you can more understand about this material. Okay? Are you ready, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have a nice watching.
Hi, I'm Emerald Robinson, and in this What Is video, we're going to examine the Earth's wide variety of organisms through a concept called biodiversity. Biodiversity, short for biological diversity, simply means that all life is different. The Earth is home to organisms that have different genes, live in different habitats, and function in different ecosystems. Scientists study three main types of biodiversity: species, genetic, and ecosystem. A species is a group of genetically distinct organisms that can have offspring. To date, over 1.7 million species have been named, and new kinds of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms are being discovered all the time. Scientists have predicted that there are between 3 and 30 million species on Earth. Genetic biodiversity means that the genes within a species vary. For example, all dogs belong to the same species, but there are many different breeds that have genes for different traits, such as size, color, and coat type. Ecosystem biodiversity means that ecosystems, communities of living things, are different from one another. For example, some ecosystems are warm and wet like tropical rainforest, and others are cold and dry like Arctic tundra. Biodiversity is not consistent from place to place. Because warm areas are able to support so many different kinds of life, places near the equator tend to have a high amount of biodiversity, while areas near the poles have a much lower biodiversity. Biodiversity is important because all species in an ecosystem have a role to play. When one or more of these species is eliminated, an ecosystem's balance will suffer, and other species are forced to migrate or become extinct. A diverse ecosystem is strong and able to withstand natural disasters, disease, and drought. With an estimated 1/3 of all species in danger of extinction, habitat conservation is more important than ever.
Okay, students, after you watch this video, so can anyone mention how many levels in biodiversity?
Me, ma'am.
Yes.
There are gene diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity.
That's very good. Okay, thank you, Nova. Okay, students, after you watch this video and you can answer my question, and we go to the next slide. I have short definition about three levels of biodiversity level. First is gene diversity. This is based on differences in color, size, and then shape, number, texture, appearance, and other properties that are slightly different, resulting in variation between individual species. And the second is species diversity. This is based on more obvious differences in morphology, and also it is easier to distinguish from just a momentary observation. And then the third is ecosystem diversity. This shows existence of various species that have different adaptability and to other environments, thus forming different ecosystem, and also interaction between organisms are determined by biotic and abiotic. Okay, from this, is there any questions, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we go to the next slide. This is the example of biodiversity levels. The first is gene diversity. Okay, I have this picture, Musa Perdisial, or you can call it banana. It has 4 types of banana: Kebon Matang banana, Agong Semeru, Raja Sere, and also Raja Matang banana. And the second is Oris sativa, or you can call it rice. Okay, there are 6 types of rice, and also still in flora we have maize, we can call it corn. Okay, there are various master sweets, and then color sweets, busy sweets, and also glutinous. Okay, this is the example of gene diversity fauna. I have koi fish or Sprinus carpio, and the second is Columbalivia, or we can call it pigeon. Okay, next slide. Still in gene diversity, Panthera leo, or we can call it lion. There are 4 types of lions. And next, this is the example of species diversity. Flora, I have also banana, musa, or sativa rice. We can differentiate it just in a momentary observation. So you can mention that this is Musa, Baudistina, Coco Line, and then Oris Laberia, and others. And next, ZSP, or we can call it corn. There are so many different types of corn, and also this is rice. And then fauna, we have Gallus sp, or we can call it chicken. Okay. And the last is ecosystem diversity. Okay, in ecosystem diversity, some example of it. There are coastal ecosystem dominated by the Pescarpi formation and the Barrier formation. Okay, the second is meadow ecosystem. It has grasslands. The third is desert ecosystem, dominated by cactus plant. And the last is tropical rainforest ecosystem. It is overgrown with a variety of trees, especially lianas. Okay, as like this, meadow, desert, and also meadow desert. Okay. Okay, that's about our content material. So from this, is there any questions, students? No? Okay, no. Okay, and now I have some vocabulary and also the terminology. And please, I will say one by one about this vocabulary and the terminology, and then please you repeat after. Do you understand, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Biodiversity.
Biodiversity.
Okay. Gene diversity.
Gene diversity.
Okay. Species diversity.
Species diversity.
Ecosystem diversity.
Ecosystem diversity.
Banana.
Banana.
Rice.
Rice.
Corn.
Corn.
Koi fish.
Koi fish.
Lion.
Lion.
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Meadow.
Meadow.
division,
division,
kingdom,
kingdom,
flag, class,
class,
family,
family,
genus,
genus,
species,
species,
subspecies.
subspecies.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you. Okay, students, I'll tell you that after you learn about the language material, terminology, and also the vocabulary, and now I have one tense that is simple present tense. That in the end of this material, you should produce report text. Okay. And then this is about simple present tense. You know that simple present tense describes habits, unchanging situation, general truth, and also fixed arrangement. And there are three formula of simple present tense: positive, negative, and also interrogative. And I hope you do understand about this tense. In the previous meeting, you have learned about this simple present tense, and also from the simple present tense vocabulary and also the terminology, it helps you to make a report text in the end of this material. Okay? And then this is, I will show you the example of report text, such as pigeon refers to all birds of the family Collidae and order Colliformes. They consist of 310 species. It is an example of gene diversity. It has 4 types of genes, such as race pigeons, home-sling pigeons, cyan pigeons, and the last is high-lice pigeons, and so on. Okay, this is the example of report text that you should make in the end of this material. Okay, do you understand, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, students, and now it's time to play game together. And then please pay attention to my instruction. In this game, I'll divide you into a small group, and each group consists of 3 members or 3 students. Okay, starting from group 1, Nanda, Hani, and also Devi, and the second group starting from Yustia, Mia, and Nafa. Okay, and I will give you number of each students. Nanda, student number 1. Okay, Hani number 2, and then Devi number 3 from group 1. From group 2, Yustia number 1, Mia number 2, and the last number 3, Nafta. Okay. So from this instruction, please close to your group. Okay, close to your group. Okay, and then please listen carefully to the next instruction. In this game, I will divide you this paper. It consists of the example, the picture, the example of biodiversity levels, and then after that, I will ask you the question. Okay, the question is, what is the name of this picture, and also the levels of biodiversity levels. And after I ask the question, okay, and then I ask you to think first about the answer, and then the second you should think the answer of my question, and after that I ask you to discuss with your group. If I say stop, you finish the discussion, and then prepare to share your answer. And if I call student number 1, please prepare student number 1. You can raise your hand. So the fastest you should share your answer to us. Okay? You understand, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'll divide you this paper. Please help me number. Okay. Have you got it?
Yes.
Okay. And now please pay attention to my instruction. Question number 1. Okay, students. Please take a look at this picture. You focus on picture number 1. Okay. The question is, what of this picture? And what level is this? Think first. Okay. Discuss with your own group. Discuss. Okay, discuss. Okay. Stop. Okay. Please prepare student number one. Just raise your hand. Okay. Stand up.
It is right. It is of biodiversity.
Okay, that's very good. Give applause to Yusia. Okay, next. Please pay attention to the picture number 2. Okay. What is the name of this picture and what level is it? Think first. Discuss with your own group. Discuss. Okay. Stop. Please prepare student number 2. Raise your hand. Okay. Stand up.
It is right. It is right. It is research.
Yes, that's very good. Give applause to Hani. Okay, students, continue to picture number 3. Okay. What is the name of this picture and what level is it? Think first. Okay. Discuss with your own group. Discuss. Okay. Finish. And please prepare student number 3. Raise your hand. Okay. Stand up. Okay. That's very good. Good. Give applause to okay. And now we are going to the last picture. This is for all of you. You can raise your hand. The question is, what is the name of this picture and what level is it? Think first. Okay. Discuss with your own group. Discuss. Okay. Enough? And then please raise your hand. Okay. Stand up please. That's very good. Okay. Give applause to Mia. Okay students, we have done to play game together. And then please pay attention. I will check your understanding about this material today. Okay. My question is, what have we learned today?
Example of biodiversity levels.
Okay. And now please mention the levels of biodiversity and give one example of it. Okay. First is
Biodiversity, human.
yes.
Biodiversity, chicken.
And then
Ecosystem diversity, lizard.
that's very good. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, students, I'm sure that you have understood about this material today. And then please pay attention to my instruction too. This is about, what is it? Okay, question, this is individual assignment. Please write down about my instruction. There are 2 questions for you. Okay, the first is, are you ready to write down? First is, how many levels of biodiversity? Please mention it and give the example of each levels. Okay. The second question is, write a report text based on example that you have chosen. For example, report text about Musa Paradisia Island. Okay? That's all about the question for you. And is there any question, students?
No,
Okay, and now please do it in the folio paper and submit it in the next meeting. Okay? Do you get my point, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and now because the time is over, and please don't forget to do your assignment well in a piece of paper, folio paper, and then submit it no later than next week or next meeting. Okay, and now thank you very much for your nice attention and see you. Good morning.
See you and good morning.
Okay, bye bye.